Cannoli? So everyone, it snowed. This is all the snow that fell within 24 hours. There's so much snow, it's amazing. Look at the trees. A tiny path carved. But the keys are in my hand, it's frozen. Ooh. Yeah. Snow everywhere. Snow water. Hey, we just found a Cannoli doppelganger. Cannoli, it's cousin now. She's so sorry. She's one paw. So earlier when I was out, it was not cold. But now it's like super cold.
Hello guys, I'm freezing my balls off. These fucking assholes.
And I just find it priceless.
The fuck is wrong with you?
I just can't stop laughing. It is unbearably cold, but
Earlier. Oh shit, it's not even that cold today. What planet do you live on? Like, are you in the same city?
I even changed from my boots to my regular sneakers, which I regret now.
Why do I live in a place where the wind hurts my face?
I have now upgraded to my full-blown jacket hoodie, which I usually never wear because it makes me look ridiculous.
It doesn't make you look ridiculous. It's just really fucking cold, guys.
I feel like it makes my face look like a baby face.
Let me check what time it is.
Like a little baby in my.
I want to see how cold it is.
Like a
What
baby.
time is it, guys? It's -4 degrees. No.
-4.
Yeah, it's -68. So that's 20 Fahrenheit, or a little less, like 17, 20 Fahrenheit. So, and then that Siberian wind that's like, it goes through your bones.
Yeah, the wind is killer. I think earlier there was no wind.
I'm wearing a hat, and I'm wearing the hoodie.
I'm wearing my invisible hat and the hoodie. See, now since we're facing the sun, it's warmer a little bit. Even though my hands are still frozen, like.
I don't even want to do a test and take my hat.
So I'm about to try this crunchy chicken burger. Oh yeah. So I got my chicken burger and my pickle. Apparently I get 2 pickles and my teensy tiny. It reminds me when I used to work at Popeyes. Yep. And Sylvia has potatoes.
Potatoes with herbs and a fish macaroni salad. Looks good.
Hi.
You wanna say hi?
Hi. I'm eating some rice with some vegetables in it. It's nice, it's really nice.
It's pretty